Welcome to NeoTech-Lens, your ultimate destination for the latest updates on cutting-edge technology, AI innovations, futuristic gadgets, and everything shaping the tech-driven world. Stay ahead of the curve with insightful content, breaking tech news, and in-depth discussions on how technology impacts our daily lives. Join us to explore the future, one lens at a time.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's NeoTech, and the AI game just got flipped on its head. We've got a new contender in the ring, straight out of China. DeepSeek's V30324. Now, you know I'm all about pushing the limits of tech, and this AI model is doing just that. It's free, I'm talking $0, and it's packing some serious heat. We're talking 671 billion parameters, a 128K context length. That's longer than my attention span. And get this, it can even run smoothly on a Mac Studio. We're seeing some serious power here, people. I'm talking head-to-head with the big dogs like GPT-4 and Llama 3. But the real kicker? It's open source. That means developers can tinker, tweak, and unleash its full potential. This changes everything. The future of AI, the balance of power in tech, it's all up for grabs. So, buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of DeepSeek's V30324 and what it means for you. Alright, let's break down this AI beast. DeepSeek's V30324 is an open source AI model. And when I say open source, I mean it's free to use, modify, and distribute. No walled gardens here. This is about as open as it gets. Now, what makes this different from your average AI? It's all about the architecture. We're talking about a mixture of experts, MOE, system. Think of it like a brain with specialized areas. Instead of activating the entire network for every task, it only uses the parts it needs. Translation? This thing is smart and efficient. We're talking 671 billion parameters, people. To put that into perspective, that's more than some of the first supercomputers. It's been trained on a massive dataset of 14.8 trillion tokens. That's like feeding it the entire Library of Congress, a few times over. And it gets results. We're talking next-level reasoning, understanding complex context, and doing it all with surprising efficiency. Remember those big names I mentioned earlier? OpenAI's GPT-4, Meta's Llama 3? Well, DeepSeek's V30324 is going toe-to-toe with them, and in some cases even outperforming them. That's a big deal, but here's where things get really interesting. DeepSeek is releasing V30324 under the MIT license. For you non-coders out there, that means it's open season. Developers, researchers, anyone can take this AI, tweak it, build on it, and push the boundaries of what's possible. This isn't just another AI model, it's a potential game changer. It's like giving everyone access to the keys to the AI kingdom. Okay, let's talk competition. For a long time, the AI arena has been dominated by the big players. Who I'm talking about, OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Meta. They've got the resources, the talent, and they've been calling the shots. But DeepSeek's V30324? This is a power move, a statement. China's making it clear they're not just catching up, they're looking to overtake. And the specs don't lie. First up, that 128K context length. This is huge. It means V30324 can process and understand information equivalent to a novella in one go. Think about that for a second. Most AI models struggle to maintain coherence in long conversations or documents. V30324 can handle it like a champ. Then there's the speed and efficiency. That MOE architecture I mentioned earlier, it's not just a gimmick. It gives V30324 a serious edge. It can process information faster and with less computing power. We're talking about running complex AI models on devices you use every day. No need for giant server farms or data centers. And the accuracy? Let's just say DeepSeek isn't messing around. In benchmark tests, V30324 goes head-to-head with GPT-4 in coding, mathematics, even abstract reasoning, and comes out on top. This isn't just hype. This is the future of AI. But here's the real difference maker: open source. OpenAI, Google, they've got their corporate interests, their bottom line. DeepSeek's taking a different approach. They're putting the power in the hands of the people. Imagine a world where AI development isn't limited by profit margins or shareholder meetings. That's the potential here. Let's talk about why this is such a big deal. The AI world is buzzing right now, and for good reason. DeepSeek just shifted the entire playing field. Think about it. We've got a free, open-source AI model that can go toe-to-toe with the best in the business. That changes everything. Startups, researchers, even small businesses. They no longer have to rely on expensive API access from the big guys. They can build their own AI-powered tools and applications without breaking the bank. And it's not just about the cost. Remember how I mentioned V30324 can run efficiently on devices like the Mac Studio? That's huge for accessibility. You don't need a supercomputer to unlock the power of advanced AI anymore. It's about democratizing AI, making it available to everyone. Imagine a world where any developer anywhere in the world can access and build upon this technology. That's the power of open source. It's about collaboration, innovation, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And let's not forget about privacy. With DeepSeek's open source approach, organizations can choose to self-host their AI models. No more sending sensitive data to the cloud, no more relying on third-party providers. You have control over your data and your AI. This is bigger than just one AI model. This is about changing the way we think about AI development, accessibility, and the future of technology itself. Chapter 4. Now let's be real, there's more to this story than just tech. The release of DeepSeek's V30324 is a major power play. China's been investing heavily in AI research and development, and they're not being subtle about it. They've been very vocal about their ambition to become the world leader in AI by 2030. And let me tell you, they're putting their money where their mouth is. We're talking massive government funding, research initiatives, and a laser focus on AI talent. And it's not just about catching up with the West anymore. It's about surpassing them. China sees AI as the key to dominance in industries of the future. Everything from defense and cybersecurity to finance and healthcare. With models like DeepSeek's V30324, they're showing the world that they're not afraid to challenge the status quo. They're pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI, and they're doing it in a way that directly challenges the Western approach. While the US and Europe are still debating regulations and ethical concerns, China's full steam ahead. Their open source strategy is a brilliant move. It allows them to rapidly accelerate AI adoption and innovation, not just within their own borders, but globally. This is about more than just AI. It's about global influence, technological leadership, and the future of the world order. It's a fascinating and frankly, a little bit unnerving development. Chapter 5. Okay, so we've talked about the tech, the geopolitical implications, but let's bring it back down to earth for a second. Who actually benefits from DeepSeek's V30324? The answer, pretty much everyone. First in line, we've got startups and developers. Think about it. You're a small team with a big idea for an AI-powered app. In the past, you would have had to choose between raising millions to build your own models or relying on expensive API access from the big players. Now you've got a free, powerful alternative, but it's not just about building the next viral app. Researchers and academics can leverage V30324 to make groundbreaking discoveries in fields like medicine, natural language processing, and robotics. Imagine the possibilities of having this level of AI power at your fingertips. And let's not forget about established tech companies. Even if you've got the resources to build your own models, the open source nature of V30324 allows you to integrate, customize, and experiment with cutting-edge AI technology without being locked into a specific vendor. Even governments and defense agencies are paying attention. The efficiency and capabilities of V30324 make it a game changer for applications like cybersecurity, surveillance, and strategic decision-making. The point is, this isn't just a niche technology. DeepSeek's V30324 has the potential to impact every aspect of our lives, from the apps we use to the way we understand the world around us. Chapter 6. Now, before we all get too carried away with the AI revolution, it's important to address the elephant in the room, the risks and concerns surrounding open source AI. Let's be real. Any technology this powerful can be used for good or bad, and with open source AI, there's always the risk of malicious actors getting their hands on the code and using it for nefarious purposes. We're talking about things like deepfakes, misinformation campaigns, even the development of autonomous weapon systems. These are serious ethical dilemmas that we need to address as a society. Then there's the question of regulation and governance. With AI evolving at such a rapid pace, governments and regulatory bodies are struggling to keep up. How do you regulate a technology that's constantly evolving and being developed by countless individuals and organizations around the world? And let's not forget about the potential impact on jobs and the economy. As AI becomes more sophisticated, There's a real concern that it could displace human workers in a wide range of industries. The debate is still ongoing. Some argue that the potential benefits of open-source AI outweigh the risks, while others believe that tighter control is necessary. It's a complex issue with no easy answers. The bottom line is this: open-source AI is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize our world. But like any tool, it's important to use it responsibly and ethically. So, there you have it. DeepSeek's V30324 isn't just another AI model, it's a statement. China's stepping up to the plate, dropping a free, ridiculously powerful AI right at our feet. Developers, startups, the whole tech world is buzzing about the possibilities. This isn't just about better chatbots or smarter algorithms, this is about changing the game. DeepSeek is putting the power of AI into the hands of the people, and that's something we haven't really seen before. But, like with any game changer, there are questions. Can open source AI be controlled? Is this the start of a new kind of tech race? Only time will tell. What do you guys think? Hit that comment section and let me know. As always, keep it locked right here on NeoTech. Peace.
Love exploring the world of technology and AI? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to NeoTech-Lens for more insightful and exciting content. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tech and AI innovations. Your support fuels our journey into the future of technology.